Okay, so today we're going to begin with a tutorial on how to use the grid method to multiply. So, for this example, I'm going to use tens and units multiplied by tens and units. 18 times 23. Now, for this method, I'm going to need to draw a grid to begin with. In order to decide how big my grid needs to be, it depends on what my numbers are. So I've got a 10 and a unit multiplied by a 10 and a unit, which means I'm going to need 2 rows and 2 columns, like so. The first step to using the grid method is to partition my numbers. So I'm going to first of all look at the number 18. The number 18 is made up of 110 and 8 units. I'm going to do exactly the same for the number 23. I've got 2 tens and I've got 3 units. Now the easy part. I need to make sure that I am multiplying each row by each column. So we'll begin looking at 20 multiplied by 10, which is 200. I'm going to now do the same, ensuring that there is a number in each of the boxes. 20 multiplied by 8 is 160. 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. And finally, 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. Okay, the next stage of the process is to add each of the numbers in the 4 boxes together. This can either be done mentally or using the column method. Okay, so I can begin by looking at the top row. 200 add 160 makes 360. I can then do exactly the same for the bottom row. 30 add 24 makes 54. I can then use the column method to add the 2 numbers together. 4 units add 0 units is 4. 6 tens add 5 tens is 110. And then 300 add 100 is 400. So my final answer would be 414. That is the grid method.